of 10, and I'm serious. I don't want to hear nothing about it. Don't argue with me. Argue with your landlord because your rent is too high. If you tried to write a book right now, you wouldn't give me the story that Kim Kardashian gave in this dress. Y'all couldn't do it if you tried. Kim could do it with a blindfold on with her hands tied behind her back. Period.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are jank.
What's up, guys? My name is Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. My boobs hurt. Oh my god. If you're new here, let me start by saying, don't take my opinions too seriously, okay? My t-shirt cost $4.99, and these people went to Met Gala and like $1 million custom-made designer Gucci, Prada, Ferragamo dresses, okay? My opinion doesn't mean anything because these people already like their outfits enough to wear them. So if I drag your fave, then I dragged your fave, and what about it? So today I'm gonna be going over Met Gala looks, and we're gonna be talking about what we like, what we don't like, and what's ugly. Because people don't like to use the U word, but that's the fact of it. Sometimes stuff is ugly. Being ugly is a part of life. Some of you are ugly. So I'm going to start with a celebrity I wasn't necessarily familiar with, but now that I've seen this, I need to figure out who this person is and what they do. Ezra Miller, if I'm not saying that correctly, then I'm not. I'm a human, I make mistakes. Ezra Miller came and showed you what camp is. Ezra Miller didn't come to play with y'all. And I sound really stupid right now if I'm saying his name wrong, but that's okay. This is what camp is all about, okay? We got the diamond corset. We got the gender bending with the mask. He's telling you a story. He's making a social statement. He looks like money doing it. Period. That's all. That's what camp is about. Being campy is being over the top, extravagant, extra. There's nothing more extra than waking up and saying, I'm going to be a gender bending, social statement making, rich bee today. There's nothing more camp than that, period. The hair alone, the hair and the mask alone is camp. But then when you add the makeup, you're talking about talent, okay? You're talking about the fact that he is talented. No, not just him. Whoever came up with this look, talent. You're creative. You smart. You loyal.
Smart. You loyal. You're grateful.
This look, for the theme, I'm going to give a 10 out of 10. But for my personal taste, this would be like a 7 out of 10. But we're talking about Met Gala. Everything's not about me. Okay? We're talking about the Met Gala and the theme. This is a 10 out of 10 for camp. Period. Period. Okay, next we have Jared Leto. We're starting off with two guys, back to back. Yes. In all these Met Gala fashion videos, everybody does the women first. No. Men showed out too. We have Jared Leto next. And look, without the little Jared Leto mannequin head, it's not camp enough. But with the little Jared Leto mannequin head, it's camp. And so I'm not sure how I feel about this because the look is very clean and nice and put together. And, you know, Jared Leto looks gorgeous. I'm not sure that the actual outfit goes with the theme without the mannequin head. For that, I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10. It's a nice look, and I really like where they were going, and I really like the non-toxic masculinity that's going on at the Met Gala this year. Men are really gender bending, and I love it because women have been including more masculinity, mostly as a nod to the 90s when we would wear more baggy clothes and stuff like that. But women have been taking grasp of more masculinity as of recent, and now men are doing it too. And I hope that this stays around and that this trend of like gender fluidity and of what's the word I'm looking for? Androgynous clothing stays around, because it's 2019. Like, why are we still limiting ourselves to only shopping in the men's section, only shopping in the women's section? Like, that's so weird. Next we have Bella Hadid. Wait, is this even Bella Hadid? Is this Bella Hadid or Gigi? Y'all tell me, I don't know. Bella or Gigi. No, this is Gigi. This is Gigi. Next we have Gigi Hadid. And she's a supermodel, so I really want her to like bring it to me, like punch me in the face, you know? But I appreciate what she did here because this was about the look. This was less about glamour and more about camp, and I really like that. It's not just about being pretty anymore. It's a fashion statement, period. I really like that about this look. But at the same time, it's camp. But to me, camp also kind of should tell you a story. You know what I mean? That's personal. That's just for me. When I think camp, I kind of think of the outfit being over the top, but also telling me some type of story. And I feel like this is lacking. This doesn't tell me anything about Gigi or anything about the outfit, the designer. It's just Gigi Hadid. And if it's Bella, then I sound stupid, and it's Bella. Next, we have Nicki Minaj, X-Men Ben Storm. You been on. You been corn. Okay, wait. The barbs are gonna drag me, okay? The barbs are gonna drag me. Please, please, because the second y'all see, the very second y'all see yo barbs, and when I say y'all, I mean barbs, the second the barbs see Nicki Minaj in anything, y'all gotta talk about Cardi. Do me a favor and don't write no comment about Nicki versus Cardi, because I will straight up block you. You will never write another comment on one of my videos. I'm sick. I'm tired. I'm tired of it. I'm tired. So we got Laura Bencroft, X-Men Ben Storm, Miss Nicki Minaj. Now, I'm here for this fairy tale Barbie dreams look. I'm here for it. And this pink ponytail wrapped around like that with the jewels dripping off and the heels laced up is exactly what I'm talking about for the Met Gala. This is it. But let me tell you something. I expect a little bit more from her because y'all have to remember, I grew up in the era of pink chicken wing necklace Nicki Minaj. I've seen Nicki Minaj be camp, okay? This is a little bit too calm for me because Nicki was camp at all these other places when nobody asked her to be. And then the theme for Met Gala is literally camp, and she shows up in this beautiful dress. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. But it could be more camp. I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10 because she's beat. Her outfit is bomb. She looks flawless. But we said camp, Nicki. We didn't say fairy tale princess realness. We said camp, but we're going to let it slide. Next, we have J-Lo. J-Lo looks like a 1920s stripper. I'm so sorry, honey. Please, nobody come for me in the comment section. I'm sorry, okay? J-Lo looks aight. It's not camp enough either. 6 out of 10. Next, we have Kendall Jenner, Kylie Jenner. I don't know if y'all know, but I stan Kylie. Like, I don't play about Kylie. I don't want to hear it in the comment section. I don't want to hear none of it. And I'm dead serious. I stan Kylie, and per usual, Kylie Jenner looks better than everybody. Kylie Jenner looks better than your mama. And whether you want to admit it or not, it's true. Whether you think that her lips and her nose and her chin and her cheeks are fake or not, she's still pretty. Okay? That's what you can't take away from her. Even if she did pay for her, first of all, you don't even know. But even if she did pay for her face, they did a dang good job. This hair color, like that silver tone purple with this dress with the mesh and it's like see-through. Yes, sis! Yes! 10 out of 10, and I'm serious. I don't want to hear nothing about it. Don't argue with me. Argue with your landlord because your rent is too high, okay? Don't argue with me about this. 10 out of 10. She slayed. Kendall is pretty. She looks pretty. 8 out of 10. Kendall's not Kylie. But Kendall is Kendall, and that's all that matters. Aww, yeah, I know. Kendall, 8 out of 10. Kylie, 10s across the board. Even Stormi gets a 10, and Stormi wasn't even there. And I mean that, okay? Next, we have Kim. Now, without Kim, there would be no Kylie. So you know how I feel about Kim. I don't stand Kim, but I like Kim. Kim has a little bit of a personality trait called cultural appropriation. Yes, I can acknowledge that sometimes my fave is problematic. So is yours. Okay, so is yours. Kim is literally dripping. Kim, like, this is what I mean when I say camp is supposed to tell me a story, okay? Kim's hair is sleek and like wet looking. Like she has like this wet look and like this dewy makeup. Like she's like misted or she just got caught in the rain. And then her dress is literally dripping. Like it looks like droplets of water. Y'all could never. If you tried to write a book right now, you wouldn't give me the story that Kim Kardashian gave in this dress. Y'all couldn't do it if you tried. Kim could do it with a blindfold on with her hands tied behind her back, period. Same thing like I said about Kylie. Say what you want. Her booty's fake. Her face is fake. First of all, you don't know. Second of all, fake or not, it looks good. Next, we have Zendaya. First of all, Zendaya's the queen of the Met Gala. Y'all don't want nothing with Zendaya. Zendaya she don't ever come to play with you hoes, and that's on period, okay? Zendaya didn't come to play with y'all, and tonight is no exception. Zendaya is Cinderella. Do y'all remember when I said, for me, my camp needs to tell a story? She told the story. There's no story. There's no princess story. There's no fairy tale story like the story of Cinderella. Not only did sis come dressed like Cinderella, the actress jumped out. She lost her slipper and had a whole moment. She snatched the show. Imagine how many cameras were pointed to other celebrities, and now all of a sudden Zendaya's glass slipper is on the red carpet and her fairy godmother is waving her wand at her. It's like, her foot is on my neck. Zendaya's foot is right here on my neck and I can't breathe and she won't let up, okay? 10 out of 10, period. Next, we have another celebrity I'm not very familiar with. He is wearing this tailored suit that says Black Drag Queens Invented Camp. Period! Period. Now, if y'all probably don't know this about me. I don't really say this on my channel. I am a huge drag queen fan. And not just RuPaul's Drag Race drag queens either, okay? I know my queens. I love drag queens. I love drag queen history. I know every RuPaul's drag queen meme in history. I've seen every season. I don't play about drag queens. Drag queens are influential to the beauty community and to the culture. They do... Those, like, these big lashes I'm wearing came from drag queens. Baking your face came from drag queens because when they do gigs, they need their makeup to be so set in their face so that when they're on stage and the lights are on them, nothing comes off. I use hair glue. I use track glue to put my lashes on. That came from drag queens. When we do makeup looks and we're gluing down our eyebrows, that came from drag queens. Cut creases came from drag queens, okay? The dramatic highlighter, that came from drag queens. Overlining your lips, that came from drag queens. The harsh contouring on the nose, that came from drag queens. Need I say more? No. Drag queens are so influential and so monumental, and they contribute so much to the beauty community and to pop culture, and they get so little in return. So to go somewhere and to be able to have a platform like the Met Gala, and you know there's going to be 1,000 cameras on you, and you wear something that makes a statement for the drag community like this is beautiful. Okay, and lastly, Cardi B. Cardi B, I'm back. I don't want to hear him. Let her wrap her weave up. She's the trap Selena. Tell me my gasolina. I probably said that out of order, and some people are gonna be like, "You're not a real Cardi B fan." Yes, I am. I just have anxiety, and my memory is terrible. Leave me alone. Period. Here we have Cardi B in this beautiful, 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 huge. This dress is huge. A huge red dress. Now, personally, this is not my style, but I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. Not just because I like Cardi. Ain't no passes. Everybody can catch the smoke, okay? Let me tell you why. One, it fits in theme perfectly. This is the definition of camp. Actually, I'm gonna dock a point because I don't get much story from this, okay? I don't get much story, but this fits what, like, this is what camp is. It doesn't get any more camp than what Cardi B did. Like, hello, you know? Well, I see what she did there with, like, for me, this is what I got from it, like the female anatomy. Like, that's why she has like the nipples on it, and like, you know, the vaginal area is like, and like, you know, her private area is like, you know, bedazzled or whatever. So that's kind of a story, but it's not like super portrayed. That's all interpretive. And camp kind of slaps you in the face. It's not very interpretive. So I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Not only am I rating so high because of that, but because of the fact that the attention to detail is effing crazy, dude. Do you see this dress? Do you see this coat? So I've been up here screaming at my camera for about 30 minutes now. I've gotta go. If you guys enjoyed this video, you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video, right? Are you gonna come back? You know. Bye!
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city.